This is a Mother's Day bouquet cookie. In the end, it's going to have flowers on top, a blue vase, and then a tag that says either mom or to mom. So for the first step, I took a blue flood consistency royal icing and I outlined and flooded the vase in blue. I made the vase a little taller than what you would expect because in the end, the flowers are going to overlap with the vase as well as the tag, and I didn't want to see a crease where the vase ended. Next, I took a white flood consistency royal icing and I did a little wet on wet highlight on the vase to give it some dimension, and then I outlined and flooded where the tag is going to end up, but this is not the tag itself. I want the tag to be overlapping with the vase, but I didn't want it to be uneven and slope down on the cookie, and so I made that background first, and then once that was dry, I came back and outlined and flooded the actual tag. Those holes that I poked in the flood are to help keep the icing from cratering. After this step, I let the cookies dry again, and then I came back to do the flowers on the top portion of the cookie. The flowers are made with a very stiff royal icing. Royal icing is very versatile. It can have different consistencies. It can be thin for flooding, a medium consistency that's similar to toothpaste for writing, or really stiff like these flowers here so it keeps its shape. To make your icing stiffer, you can add powdered sugar, and you want it thick enough to the point that when you are mixing it in your bowl, it'll leave stiff peaks if you pull the spatula or spoon up out of the icing. After the flowers, I added some leaves. For the flowers, I used a variety of open star tips versus the leaves, I just cut my bag in a V shape to make this effect. And the last step for this design is to add writing onto the tag. I wanted to fit to mom on all of the tags, but they were a variety of sizes, and so some of the tags just said mom, while other ones I was able to fit to mom. Whenever I write on my cookies, I use the Smart Sketcher projector. It's actually a children's toy, but it works really well for cookie decorating. I create the images I'm going to project using the app Canva, and then I use the Smart Sketcher projector app that then sends it to the projector using Bluetooth.